Spain is empty. More than half of its towns have fewer than 1,000 people. Fields abandoned, villages dying. But this isn't the first time Europe faced emptiness. 2,000 years ago, the Romans solved it by building infrastructure. Aqueducts, roads, whole colonies. In Spain, the aqueduct of Segovia carried mountain water nearly 30 meters high into the city. Infrastructure made life possible, and then people followed. Fast forward to today, rural Spain is shrinking again, but now the problem isn't water or roads, it's people. Farmers can't find labor, crops go unharvested, and the young move away. So what could fill the gap? Robotics? In Switzerland, robotics is building precision sprayers that cut chemical use by up to 95%. In Denmark, FarmDroid runs solar-powered robots that seed and weed fields autonomously. In the Netherlands, AgSeed is scaling autonomous tractors, and in the UK, doctors deploys strawberry picking robots in greenhouses. In France, Naya Technologies has robots working vineyards. These aren't just machines, they are systems. Systems that need technicians, engineers, and service hubs. The Romans pulled skilled people into empty lands with infrastructure. Robotics could do the same today. Not just keeping agriculture alive, but turning rural Spain into a hub for high-skilled jobs and innovation. The new colonies might not be textile factories or Roman cities. They could be labs, service centers, and farms where robots are the foundation of prosperity. Spain is empty now, but if robots became the new infrastructure, maybe it doesn't have to stay that way.